Welcome back. Today we're diving into 5 jobs AI can't replace and why they're likely to remain in demand. First up, healthcare professionals. AI is making waves in healthcare, helping with diagnostics and surgery. But empathy and understanding in patient care are irreplaceable. These human elements ensure healthcare professionals remain essential. Next, we delve into the world of creative artists. AI can create art, but it can't replicate the depth and nuance of true human creativity. While AI-generated art can be impressive, it often lacks the soul and personal touch that human artists bring to their work. Human artists draw from their own experiences, emotions, and unique perspectives. These elements are what make their creations so compelling and relatable. They convey emotions and ideas that resonate deeply with audiences, creating a connection that goes beyond the visual or auditory. AI, on the other hand, lacks the spark of human ingenuity and the ability to form an emotional connection. It can mimic styles and techniques, but it cannot replicate the passion and intent behind each stroke or note. That's why human-created art remains powerful and irreplaceable. The emotional depth and personal touch that human artists infuse into their work make it timeless and universally appreciated.
Let's talk about teachers. They are more than just conveyors of information. They are the heart and soul of the educational experience. AI can assist with personalized learning and grading, making the process more efficient and tailored to individual needs. But mentorship, guidance, and personal connection are where teachers truly excel. They provide the emotional and intellectual support that students need to thrive. Teachers inspire a love of learning and adapt to students' needs, creating an environment where curiosity and creativity can flourish.